Hey guys, and welcome back to Lillian's Beauty. I'm glad that you can make it back to my page. I appreciate it so much, especially during this time. Yeah, but as you can tell in the description box, that this tutorial is going to be over this makeup look that I did. Also, the hair that I'm currently wearing. This is from the Janet collection. It is called Jada, and I do have it in the color number 1. So yeah, with all that being said, check it out. Yes, let's go ahead and get started into the mini makeup tutorial. And I say mini because I already have my brows done, which I usually do ahead of time because it just takes forever. And I've already have my primer and foundation on, which I'll leave all the information in the description box below. So pretty much I'm just left with contouring, and I'm going to go ahead and start with the NARS. And this is in the color medium 1.5. So I'm gonna just apply it as I do all the time. Same areas: forehead, nose, under the eyes, lip, and chin. You know, people can get creative with how they apply their lighter color when they get ready to contour. I just pretty much do the same old, but you never know. Always trying to learn something new. And then I'm gonna just take this brush here and blend that out. Alright, so the second layer is going to be with the this contour kit, and I'm using this color right here in the middle. And this is the Anastasia contour cream kit. And the color in the middle is banana. If you don't know, now you know. And I'm going to go in and apply that same way, but I really this time try to get under my eye. Wear their things differently. This is the darker color here that I'm putting around my head. These like makeup applicator wedges, anywhere, dollar store, hair store, CVS, anywhere. And I just press it onto the bright highlighted areas. Now I'm going to contour my nose a little bit, and I'm going to do that with using the True Complexion contour palette, and this is by Black Radiance. This palette is deep to dark, and I usually use, as you can see, the middle color. Work it in there. So I use this brush here, just like something small to like really get precise. So like so, and then I'm gonna take that all the way into my brows like that. See how I did that? Just started right here, and you want it, and when you contour your nose, you want to get like right in here, right in that like crease in your nose, right there. But that's usually how I do it. And just go up, bring the excess down a little bit, and then kind of just drag it up into your brow, like right up there. And then I'm going to do the same for the other side. I'm going to get a more fluffier brush like this and just blend it a little bit. And now the darker color I do use to go back over the dark contoured areas, just to darken those up a little bit. So here, and I always usually use this to bring everything together. And I'm really, when it comes to the light areas, I'm just going to tap them and then blend everything out. So tap, 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 blend, blend, blend. Okay, I'm back, you guys. So let me just tell you, there was just so much I had to do off camera. Once again, for some reason, anytime I film, I just always have issues. Anywho, I forgot to mention to you guys, which you guys already know, which I've said before. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a dark brown. It turned out to be like dark brown reddish, and I used the Naked, the Heat palette, and I just used like the last 3 colors on the palette over here, these colors here. So I use those. Very simple. You can add it however you want to do, however you want to add it. I also went ahead and popped on my lashes, and I ended up switching my lashes to something different because I didn't like how the other ones were looking. These are 25mm lashes. They don't have a name because I'm actually in the process of working with a vendor and looking to, you know, get into the lash business. So that's what I'm working on with that. I also applied a blush. The Milani blush is the Tea Rose blush that I went on and applied. And the lipstick, it may not look like lipstick, it's kind of neutral for me. It is a MAC lipstick, and I'll include the name of that in the description box below. So with all that being said, and mascara, if you want to know the mascara I applied, it is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. Yeah. Alright, so enough of that. Anything else, pretty much everything, if I didn't include it, I will definitely include it in the description box below. But yeah, so with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into this wig here. Can you see that? Yeah, which I showed you guys earlier. But so yeah, so this is the Janet Collection Melt Transparent Hairline with Extended Part Lace. And again, I have this in the color number 1. And it does say it is pre-plucked, pre-customized, and natural hairline. And they do have this obviously available in many other colors. The wig, I've actually ended up purchasing the wig because I seen it on Trendy K's YouTube page, and I thought it was super cute on her, so I'm like, hey, why not, let me try it. Usually that's how I pick my wigs anyhow. Here lately, you know, I obviously seen somebody probably wear it before. This is what it's looking like. So, and this is the front of it. Here's the bottom. Looking super curly. See that? That's how it looks. And then here is the back. It actually smells pretty good. And here is the back of the wig. Okay. And as you can see, there's lace. Oh, no itch. As you can see, there's lace here. And it does not go all the way around. Just goes ear to ear. Okay. And as far as the inside, it looks like there is 2 combs in the front, there and there. I honestly do not use the combs in the front. I usually only use the one in the back, which is here. So yeah, so that's that. Let's go ahead and pop this on. Okay, so let me go off screen, and the lace is looking really nice. Do y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness. The lace is looking really pretty. Okay, so can we see that? Anywho, what I'm going to do is pop off here real quick and cut the lace because I don't have my scissors ready on me. And I'm going to just figure out if I want to add baby hairs or not. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm back. All right. So I got the wig on, cut the lace. Only thing I did not do, I did not add any concealer. And the reason why I'm not really doing too much to the wig is because obviously I'm not going anywhere. So the wig I think is super cute. The only difference that I noticed with it being on me and Trendy K, it seems like when she had her hair like this, it seems like it was a little bit curly. I did brush it out because it looked, from when I first showed you guys, it looked just super curly to me, just like not a cute curl pattern, and I like it more like this. You know, I think it looks real super cute this way. I actually am going to order another one. I kid you not. Like, it does shed a little bit. The shedding is really not extreme, just because it is a curly wig, so it doesn't really bother me that much. But I definitely am going to order this again. I did not glue it down because, again, I'm not going anywhere, so I really don't want to get into all that gluing and creating baby hair. So I did leave these hairs out. But yeah, the as you can see, it's very transparent. Like, look at that, right? Even if I was to, like, look at that, like, I think that's super cute. So yeah, so I think this is a really super cute wig. Let me put it to the back. You can see the back, and then I'm gonna sit down. Like, what the hell? This is cute. Really cute. Okay. And my look is done. So this is my final look. Lips, I added a MAC lipstick and then I just put some lip gloss on top of it. I'm really not a big gloss girl, but I did find it to be a little bit more finishing. This is it. And again, you guys, definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. Show your girl some lovely, lovely, lovely. Especially during this time that we're going through, there was really nothing else for us to really do besides show some love to each other. So, you know, not watch some YouTube videos and get some information and learn some things. And Lord knows when this is over, hopefully, you know, you can get back to maybe want to go out and get this wig, or, you know, check out this look and try it for yourself. So, yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Definitely check out me on Instagram. My Instagram page